during doing the chakra work, I came to a realization of a place of reinforcement. You know, like with this knowledge, like um, I'm I'm I consider myself a apprentice to life and to life's knowledge and to life's work. So like this is the stuff that I really, really want to do, you know. So when you get to understand that learning the knowledge and then gaining the wisdom and the experience through anything in life, whether you're doing this work or not, you understand that the need to control that information or the need to control any bit of information for anybody else completely takes you out of, you know, any righteous claim or being able to say that, you know, you're doing a good job, you know? So like
Hmm.
this control thing, this control
Hmm.
aspect of needing to facilitate and hold on to and then generate and create and manufacture the outcome on the other side because you want to, you know, feel a certain type of way, you know, first of all, those things are not happiness. When you
Time
say, oh,
out.
if such
Time
and
out.
such goes, such and
That's
such goes
heavy.
a certain, I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, just I was just saying, you said a lot right there, man. You said a lot right there, and I think it deserves a slight go over. You said the desire to control comes from wanting to see a certain outcome in the hopes that that outcome is going to make you feel a certain way.
Bases are loaded. I'm coming for a
Mhm, mhm.
home run. I thought you was loading the bases, trying to see. Oh shit! I don't like that's a lot. I'm trying to control the situation, control the outcome. Because when I get the outcome that I want, I'm gonna feel a certain way. Well, one thing
Mhm.
is a lie. The second thing is a lie, and the third thing is a lie.
Mhm.
So imagine living your
Mhm.
life under three layers of lies. When I manifest this thing, I'm gonna be happy. Well,
Mm,
the key that I tell people all the time, y'all hear me say it. I hope you get all of the god dang on money that you can get. I hope you
mhm,
get all of the girls that you're gonna get, so you
mhm.
can see for yourself that it ain't worth a damn.
Nothing,
Right? I want you to get
nothing,
it. Right?
nothing.
That's super
Nope.
profound, and thank you for that elaboration, though,
Mhm.
Prime. Because listen to that. You
Yeah.
want to
That
control the situation. You want an outcome, and you want to feel a certain way when you get that outcome. That's just too much energy spent.
for nothing, really,
That's
right?
crazy.
Because if you're thinking about the best things in life, right? Since when did the best things in life come from something that you were able to control?
Damn.
Were you able to control? Were you able to control when those beautiful bodies came into the world? Because when you had those kids, like they just came, right?
No, I was
Were you
drawing them
able?
out. No, I was drawing them out,
Okay,
cutting and
okay.
pasting,
Were you able to control when
carving.
you really found your other half, right? When you really
No,
found
you
your other half, were you able to control that?
no, you
Mm-mm,
never no,
mm-mm,
never nothing. I never
mm-mm.
controlled
So that just
anything.
re so that just reinforces what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm
Mhm.
saying? This idea of control is the biggest weakness there is. And the more
Mm.
things you need to control, the more weakness you actually are displaying.
Wow,
Oh,
Right?
wow,
So
wow.
wow.
we're in duality, right? We're in duality, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I'll tell you
Drink
that
some water
your
on that.
left and
I
right,
know, man.
your your left and right and your up and down is your control on your lack thereof. All right. So your idea of control puts you in what peons or much
Say it, man.
less
Spill it. Spill it.
educated people, much less educated people would say would be the bad area, right? You would be in the bad realm if you were on one side and the good realm if you were on the other. So
Mm-hmm.
most people think control is a good thing. Let's get to that psychology, right? Most people think control over people places, and things are good things.
Because it's been rewarded. It's been rewarded by society.
What
Damn.
does your parent do? What does your teacher do? What does your
Damn.
boss do? What does your best friend who's smarter than you do? They control you from behind the strings. You're just not smart enough to realize it, or you're just too naive. But that is the reality. People live their life off of control and the control that they have. If they do not have the control, they are depressed. They down and out because I can't. I can't. No, I don't.
I can't manipulate this situation.
I can't.
Damn.
Yeah, I can't. I can't. I'm not the center of it. I'm not the center of attention. No, ain't nobody gonna be asking me how I'm doing. No. That's what that is. The opposite of that is whatever comes to me is beautiful. I'll deal with it.